Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for a Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And it's Monday, January the 27th of 2020. I went to CVS today and I got these things right here. And they were all part of this spend 30, get back 10 deal going on. It's limit 1. Now it says look on pages 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10 for more deals, and I can look on those pages in this ad, but I'll tell you what, the bounce is not listed in the ad. The gain wasn't listed in the ad, but I saw it when I was standing back here looking at Tide and looking down the aisle to figure out what I was gonna get. I saw these tagged, so I got them. Also, Persil laundry soap, which was right next to the Tide, I saw they had it. If I had some more $2 coupons, I probably would have got it over getting the gain, because I only had dollar coupons on the gain, but that's okay. Basically, I had $10 extra buck that was expiring this week. I also had that $10 CVS Care Pass thing that you pay $5 a month, and then they give you $10 extra buck, basically digitally. So I had that was going to expire this week as well. So I had $20 to spend, and this all worked out really well, the combo that I got here. So basically, the Tide liquid was more expensive. It's $5.94. I used the $2 coupon out of the P&G insert we got this week. And then this Tide pod was $4.94. The Bounce dryer sheets were $4.94. And $2 coupon out of the P&G on the pods. The Bounce dollar coupon out of the P&G for those. And then the gain, the liquids and the pods were $4.94 as well. But I don't see them in the ad anywhere. But anyways, it all worked. And I had dollar coupons. They probably came out of a Retail Me Not. Only had 3 of those. Anyways, it all worked out exactly the coupons I had. Anyways, so dollar coupons on those. All right. So I got 5 things that were $4.94, and then one that was $5.97. So that was $30.64, $8 in coupons, and then I got $10 back. So that makes everything $12.64 for all 6 items, or $2.11 each, which is a pretty good price on these items right here. Okay. Plus, it spent the $20 that I needed, because out of pocket, you can see that I needed to spend, it was $22.64, and I had $20. So I did that plus a little bit of tax, and got back to $10. The Care Pass cost me $5 to get, so it is what it is. Anyway, so there's my $10 that I got back. I got coupons printed on the receipt, 4 off of 20 and something, blah blah blah. Look at all these coupons that printed on my receipt. Okay, and the standard 10 off of 40 cleaning. But anyways, and then all of these, I had first went to the red box, and then all of those coupons printed out, and then all of these came on the receipt. So maybe I've got some coupons in here to do some more deals. I was just kind of in a hurry this evening, and so I just figured I knew I could do this deal and get some of these things, and it was going to be good enough for me. So all right, that is what I did at CVS this week. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.